Good evening, students. Welcome back to online maths class. So in the last class we have solved up to the 12th question of exercise 6.1. So let us continue with the question number 13. It is 2 times 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than 6 times x minus 2. Let us get the values of x here. So here the given inequality is this one. So now I multiply 2 with these two terms and here 6 with these two terms. So writing minus 10 as it is. 2 into 2x it is 4x, then 2 into 3 it will be 6, then I write this minus 10 as it is, then less than, now multiply 6 with these two terms, we get 6x minus 12. So now write 4x as it is, then 6 minus 10 it is minus 4, then less than 6x minus 12. So now, so here we have 6x and here we have 4x. In order to eliminate 6x, both the sides we need to subtract 6x. Let us do that now. 4x minus 4 less than minus 4 minus 6x less than 6x minus 12 minus 6x. So these two get cancelled. Then 4x minus 6x will be minus 2x. So we get minus 2x. Then writing minus 4 as it is, then less than minus 12, then less than minus 12. So now we have to eliminate this minus 4 in the left hand side. For that we need to add 4 both the sides. Minus 2x minus 4 plus 4, and then so here we have minus 12 plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. We are left out with minus 2x, write it as it is, then less than 4 minus 12 it is minus 8. So now here we want only x, but we have minus 2x. So let us eliminate minus 2. So both the sides we need to divide by minus 2. Whenever we are dividing by the same negative number or multiplying by the same negative number, the sign of inequality is reversed. So let us write that particular step now. Minus 2x divided by minus 2. So now the sign of inequality is reversed now. Less than becomes greater than minus 8 by minus 2. So minus 2 get cancelled. We get x greater than, so minus by minus it is plus, 8 by 2 will give us 4. So it is 4. X greater than 4. So the solution set is, therefore the solution set is, so it is open interval 4 comma infinity. It is open interval 4 comma infinity. Open interval 4 comma infinity. So this is the required answer for the question number 13. Well, question number 14 is 37 minus 3x plus 5 greater than or equal to 9x minus 8 times x minus 3. Let us simplify the inequality. So here I will be writing 37 as it is, 37, then multiply this minus sign with these two terms, we get minus 3x, then minus 5, then greater than or equal to 9x, then multiply minus with these two terms, we get minus 8x, minus into minus plus, 8 into 3 it is 24. So now let us simplify further. 37 minus 5 it is 32. So now 32 minus 3x greater than or equal to 9x minus 8x will be x plus 24. So now here x is an extra term in the right hand side. In order to eliminate that, we need to subtract by x. 32 minus 3x, then minus x greater than or equal to x plus 24 minus x. So now here plus x minus x get cancelled. 32 writing it as it is, then minus 3x minus x will be minus 4x, then greater than or equal to, so here we have 24, then now we have to eliminate 32. Let us subtract 32 both the sides. 32 minus 4x minus 32, so greater than or equal to 24 minus 32. So now see here, 32 and minus 32 get cancelled. Write minus 4x as it is, then here we have 24 minus 32 will give us minus 8. So greater than or equal to minus 8. So now we have to eliminate minus 4 here. So to eliminate that, we have to divide by minus 4 both the sides. Since you are dividing by the same negative number, the sign of inequality is reversed. So now minus 4x by minus 4, so it is greater than or equal to, now it becomes less than or equal to. So it is less than or equal to minus 8 by minus 4. So minus 4 and minus 4 get cancelled. So you have x less than or equal to minus by minus it is plus, 8 by 4 it is 2. So we have x less than or equal to 2. Therefore the solution set is, closed interval, x less than or equal to 2 means all the negative numbers including 2. So it has to be minus infinity, closed interval 2. So this is the required solution for the question number 14. Well, question number 15, it is x by 4 less than 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5. So write the left hand side term as it is, and here we will have to take the LCM. Let us go ahead with the solution. So I'll be writing this as it is, x by 4 as it is, then less than, then take up the LCM now. LCM of 3 and 5 it is 15, then 3 5s and 5 3s. So it is 5 times 5x minus 2, then minus 3 times 7x minus 3. So now x by 4 less than 5 into 5, it is 25x minus 10. So now 3 into 7x will be 21x, and we have the minus sign. So minus 21x. Minus into minus it is plus 9 divided by 15. So now x by 4 less than 25x minus 21x will be 4x, minus 10 plus 9 it is minus 1 divided by 15. So now we have to eliminate 4 and 15. So let us eliminate 4. So multiply both the sides of an inequality by 4. So let us do that now. 4x by 4 less than 4 times 4x minus 1 divided by 15. So here 4 and 4 get cancelled. Write the remaining term now. So x less than 16x minus 1 divided by 15. So now we will have to eliminate 15. Let us multiply both the sides of an inequality by 15. So 15x less than 15 times 16x minus 1 divided by 15. So 15 and 15 get cancelled. Write the remaining term now. 15x less than 16x minus 1. So now Now we will have to eliminate 16x. Let us subtract 16x both the sides of an inequality. 15x minus 16x, and then less than 16x minus 1 minus 16x. So these two get cancels now. So here we have minus x less than minus 1. So now we have to eliminate the minus sign. Let us multiply both the sides of an inequality by minus 1 so that this will be reversed. The sign of inequality must be reversed. Minus 1 into minus x will be plus x, less than becomes greater than, minus 1 into minus 1 it is plus 1. So the solution set has to be x must be greater than 1. Therefore, the solution set is x greater than 1 means we will have to take open interval. So open interval 1 comma infinity. So this is the required solution for the question number 15. Well, question number 16, it is 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2 minus x divided by 5. So let us go ahead with the solution. I will be writing the first term as it is, 2x minus 1 divided by 3. Then here in the right side we will be taking the LCM. So the LCM of 4 and 5 it is 20. So 20, then so 4 5s are 5 4s are. So 5 times 3x minus 2, 5 times 3x minus 2, then minus 4 times 2 minus x, 4 times 2 minus x. So write this as it is, 2x minus 1 divided by 3, then greater than or equal to 5 into 3 it is 15x minus 10, then minus 8, minus into minus plus 4x divided by 20. So now write this as it is, 2x minus 1 divided by 3, then greater than or equal to, so 15x plus 4x will give us 19x, then minus 10 minus 8 will be minus 18 divided by 20. So now we will have to eliminate 3 and 20. So both the sides we need to multiply by 3 so that 3 will be eliminated. So 3 times 2x minus 1 divided by 3, then greater than or equal to 3 times 19x minus 18 divided by 20. So here 3 and 3 get cancelled. Now to eliminate 20, both the sides we need to multiply by 20. So let us do that now. 20 times 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 20 into 3, write it as it is, then into 19x minus 18 divided by 20. So here 20 and 20 get cancelled, write the remaining term. So in the left hand side we are left out with 20 into 2x minus 1. 20 into 2x will be 40x minus 20, then greater than or equal to, so 19x into 3, 57x, then 3 into minus 18, it is minus 54. So now we have to eliminate minus 20 in the left hand side, so that we have to add 20 both sides so that we can eliminate this. So 40x minus 20 plus 20, minus 20 plus 20, then greater than or equal to 57x minus 54, then plus 20. So minus 20 plus 20 get cancelled. We have 40x greater than or equal to 57x 57x, and then minus 54 plus 20, it is minus 34. Minus 34. Then, now we have to eliminate 57x in the right side. That means we need to subtract by 57x. So, 40x minus 57x greater than or equal to 57x minus 34 as it is minus 57x. So, these two get cancelled now. So, how much we get? Minus 17x. So, we have minus 17x and then greater than or equal to minus 34. So, now here minus 17 is an extra term, we need to eliminate minus 17. So, let us divide both the sides of an inequality by minus 17 and the sign of inequality is reversed. So, minus 17x by minus 17, so less than or equal to minus 34 by minus 17. So, minus 17 get cancelled. We have x less than or equal to minus by minus it is plus, we get 2. 17 ones are 17 twos are. So, x less than or equal to 2. Therefore, the solution set is, therefore, the solution set is, therefore, the solution set is x less than or equal to 2 means x has to be 2 and less than that means all the negative numbers including plus 2. So, minus infinity comma 2. This is the required answer for the question number 16. Well, we have the next set of questions from 17 to 20. We have to solve the given inequalities and we have to go for the graphical representation. That means whatever the solution we get, we have to represent that on the number line. So, that is going to be the graphical solution. So, I will be taking the 17th one, question number 17. Let us solve the inequality and after that we will go for the graphical representation. 17th one, 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. So, now we have to eliminate minus 2, that means add 2 both the sides. 3x minus 2 plus 2 less than 2x plus 1 plus 2. So, we are adding 2 both the sides. So, minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. We have 3x less than 2x plus 3. Now, 2x is an extra term in the right hand side. So, right side, let us eliminate that by subtracting 2x. 3x minus 2x less than 2x plus 3 minus 2x. So, we can subtract by the same term or the same number. So, now here plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. So, 3x minus 2x will be x. X less than we have 3. So, this is the solution now. X has to be less than 3. Let us go for the graphical representation or the graphical solution. So, now graphical representation of the solution. Graphical representation. So, now we have to consider the number line. And this side we have all the negative numbers and this side we have the positive numbers. In between you have the 0. So, it is 1, 2, 3 and then here we will have 4 and so on and it continues. And this side you have minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3 and so on and all the negative numbers. Minus 3. So, now the solution is x must be less than 3. So, less than 3 means this one. Here you will have to put the bubble. Empty bubble should be there. If it is less than or equal to 3, now we would have shaded like this. This is less than or equal to. So, it has to be completely shaded when it is less than or equal to 3. When it is only less than 3, we should not include 3. We have to leave 3 and consider all the numbers which are less than 3. That is why what we do is, so for 3, we will be writing a bubble, so an empty bubble. So this is 3 and less than 3. That means here we will have to shade this. So ಈ ಥರ thick line ದಿಂದ represent ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನು. This has to be thick line. So there must be a difference between this line and this portion. It has to be thin line and this has to be thick line, because x must be less than 3. ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿವಿ, ಈ 3 ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 ಅಂತ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಬಲ್ನ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3ನೂ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು 3 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಥಿಕ್ ಲೈನ್ದಿಂದ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಆ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾ this completes question number 17. Note down this and then we'll move on to question number 18. Let us go for the question number 18. So here 5x minus 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. So this is our question number 18. So now we will have to eliminate minus 3. Let us add 3 both the sides. 5x minus 3 plus 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 5 plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. 5x greater than or equal to 3x, 3 minus 5, it is minus 2. So now we will have to eliminate 3x in the right side. Let us subtract by 3x. 5x minus 3x greater than or equal to 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2 minus 3x. I am subtracting by 3x. 3x and minus 3x get cancelled. 5x minus 3x, it is 2x. 2x greater than or equal to minus 2. So now we will have to eliminate 2 here in the left side. That means divide both the sides of an inequality by 2. So if we divide by 2, we get x greater than or equal to minus 1. X has to be greater than or equal to minus 1. Let us go for the graphical representation. We need to represent the solution on the number line. So this is minus 2, minus 1, then here it is 0, plus 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯಾ ರೇಖೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು minus 1 ಅಂದರೆ minus 1 ಮೇಲೆ ಬಬಲ್ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎಂಟಿ ಬಬಲ್ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಈಗ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ minus 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಂಟಿ ಬಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತೈತೆ ರೀ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Now it is greater than or equal to minus 1 means we have to shade the bubble and consider all the numbers which are greater than minus 1. ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಹೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಬಬಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಈ ಥರ. ಅಂದರೆ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. minus 1 ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So that is why we are going to represent this with the thick line. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ಥಿಕ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಥಿಕ್ ಲೈನ್. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ -1 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ರಿ ಥಿನ್ ಲೈನ್. ಇದೇನು ಥಿಕ್ ಲೈನ್ದಿಂದ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಬಲ್ನು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 18. Note down this and then we'll move on to the question number 19. Well, let us solve the question number 19. 3 times 1 minus x, then less than 2 times x plus 4. X plus 4. So now multiply 3 with these two terms and 2 with these two terms. 3 minus 3x less than 2x plus 8. 2 into 4 it is 8. Now let us eliminate 3 here. 3 minus 3x minus 3 less than 2x plus 8 minus 3. So we are subtracting both the sides by 3. From 3, not by 3, from 3. So plus 3 minus 3 get cancels, we get minus 3x less than 2x, 8 minus 3 it is 5. So now we will have to eliminate 2x. Let us subtract by 2x. Minus 3x minus 2x less than 2x plus 5 then minus 2x. So plus 2x minus 2x get cancels, minus 3x minus 2x will be minus 5x, and then less than 5, So we have to eliminate minus 5 here. Divide both the sides by minus 5. When you are dividing by the same negative number, the sign of inequality is reversed. So for the time being, I'll be rubbing this off. So 20th question is just similar to 15th one. There it was x by 4 and here it is x by 2. That is the only difference. So you will have to take it as an assignment. So now, here let us divide both the sides of an inequality by minus 5. Minus 5x by minus 5. Then sign of inequality must be reversed. 5 by minus 5. So minus 5 get cancels. We get x greater than minus 1. X greater than minus 1. Now we have to represent this solution on the number line. Let us go ahead with the number line. So here all the negative numbers and here all the positive numbers. So it is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now x must be greater than minus 1. In the previous case it was greater than or equal to minus 1. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಬಬಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ x greater than minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟಿ ಬಬಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ minus 1 ಮೇಲೆ. So let us do that. This is minus 1 now. This is minus 1. So it has to be greater than minus 1. Minus 1 ಗಿಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇರೋ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. This has to be drawn with the thick line. ಇದನ್ನ thick line ದಿಂದ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. All these are the solutions. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಲೈನ್ ಥಿನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಥಿಕ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರೆಡ್ ಪೆನ್ ಇಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So this you must be written in the by the blue pen, and this has to be drawn with the pencil or the any other color, so black color or the red color. You have to distinguish. ಅಂದ್ರೆ clear identification ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ solution ಇದು. So this is all about the question number 19. Question number 19, yes, and take the 20th as an assignment.